Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda, chapter 1 electric charges and fields. We have just completed theory with extra topics for JEE NEET and we are solving now illustrations. Okay, according to NCERT text, this is 1.11. Data. The electric field component in figure are Ex equals to alpha x raised to 1 upon 2, Ey equals to Ez equals to 0, in which alpha equals to 800 Newton per Coulomb into meter raised to 1 upon 2. Why is the unit is such? Because see, Ex has unit Newton per Coulomb and x is in meter, so upon meter raised to 1 upon 2. That is okay. Calculate the flux through the cube and charge within the cube. Assume that side of cube is 0.1 meter. This is the data. Okay, let us understand data first again. See, this electric field has only x component is non-zero. Y and z components are zero. That means electric field is in this direction. Okay. Alpha is given as 800. Okay. Now, first of all, this figure is given in data. Okay, so this distance is also a, means equals to the size of the cube. Okay, this also they have given that unit vector in this direction is n left caret and in this direction is n r caret. Everything is given. Okay, now I have just given the numbers to the sides. Okay, suppose this cube is like this. Okay, this is left hand side. I have given this as number 1, this as number 2. Okay, the back side as number 3, the front side as number 4, the top as number 5, the bottom as number 6. Okay, for our simplicity. Now first of all, let us find flux linked with this first surface. Okay, that is left surface for us. So EL dot delta SL can be written as vector EL dot, magnitude of this is delta SL and direction is NL cap. But see, vector E is in this direction, NL cap is in this direction. So angle will be 180. So it will be EL delta SL cos 180. But for left surface, that means surface 1, okay? Here x equals to A. So I have to put 800 A raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, alpha x raised to L raised to 1 upon 2. So 800 A raised to 1 upon 2. Okay? So putting value here, phi left equals to 800 A raised to 1 upon 2. Delta SL is delta S for us, magnitude, and cos 180 is minus 1. Now see, all the surfaces will have equal area, that is equals to A square. So delta SL or say delta S equals to A square. We will put value at the end. But here phi left equals to this minus I have brought at the front, so minus 800 A raised to 1 upon 2 into A square, and unit of flux we know that it is Newton per Coulomb into meter square. Say this as phi left or phi 1. Okay. Now phi right, it is equals to, that is phi 2 also, vector ER dot delta SR. Now see here, vector ER and NR cap are in same direction, so angle will be 0. Okay. So it is ER, magnitude of this also will be delta S only. For right hand side, every surface has same area as far as magnitude is concerned. So delta S into cos 0. Okay, but for this, the value of x is 2a. So I have placed here alpha into 2a raised to 1 upon 2 for ER. Okay, so alpha into 2a raised to 1 upon 2, delta is a square, cos 0 is 1, Newton per Coulomb into meter square. Now flux 3, that is for this surface. Okay, for this surface at back side of you, the area vector will be in this direction and vector E is in this direction. So angle will be 0. Okay. So cos 90 E3 dot vector E3 dot vector delta S3 will be equal to E3. Magnitude of this is delta A. But angle is cos 90, so 0 Newton per Coulomb into meter square, flux linked with the back side. Similarly, for front side it is flux 4 equals to vector E4 dot delta S4 equals to E4. Okay, into delta S, because magnitude is delta S, and cos 90 because area vector is in this direction and E is in this direction. Okay, so again flux is 0. Now let us find flux phi, that is flux linked with this. So E5 dot delta S5, that is equals to E5 into delta S into cos 90. Okay, because E5 is E is in same direction, but delta S5 is in this direction. So angle will be 90. So again zero flux. And similarly for bottom, phi 6 equals to E6 dot delta S6, that is equals to E6 delta S cos 90, that will be equal to 0 Newton per Coulomb into meter square. So net flux, or say total flux linked with this cube equals to phi 1 plus phi 2 plus phi 3 plus phi 4 plus phi 5 plus phi 6 can be written as phi 1 is phi left, phi 2 is phi right, and all other fluxes are 0. Therefore phi equals to, now phi left is, see 800 a square is common. Here it will be minus root a, and here it will be plus root 2a. This is square root of 2. Can be written as 800 a square into root a into root 2 minus 1. Okay, so putting the values, okay, 800 into 0.1 square into square root of 0.1. We know that root 2 is 1.414 minus 1. Unit will be Newton per Coulomb into meter square. Okay, now calculating this, square root of 0.1, okay, that is 0.3162. Now see, this is 0.01 into 800, that is 8, into 0.3162, into this will be 0.414. So multiplying, it will be 1.0473, okay, Newton per Coulomb into meter square, can be taken as nearly equal to 1.05 Newton per Coulomb into meter square according to text. So this is the flux, okay, linked with this cube. Now according to Gauss's law, flux will be equal to sigma q upon epsilon naught. So we can write, therefore sigma q equals to flux into epsilon naught, can be written as 1.05 into 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. Okay, so 1.05 into 8.854, that is 9.296 into 10 raised to, that is in Coulomb, minus 12 Coulomb. Okay, in text they have taken nearly equal to 9.3 into 10 raised to minus 12 Coulomb. Okay, so that is the charge inside the cube. Okay, prepare well, bye.